So you want to make money with affiliate marketing? Here are 3 powerful secrets to help beginners earn faster and smarter. But before I tell you, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next daily video. First, don't promote low-paying products. A big mistake beginners make is signing up for Amazon Associates and earning tiny 3% commissions on cheap products. Instead, find high-ticket affiliate programs that pay $50, $100, or even $500 per sale. Digital products, software, and online courses often have huge commission rates, sometimes 50% or more. Next, don't rely on just one platform. Many beginners stick to one social media account or one blog, but the secret is diversification. Promote your links across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and even Pinterest to reach more people faster. And if you want long-term passive income, start a blog or email list. This way, you own your traffic instead of depending on social media algorithms. Finally, make people want to click your links. Don't just say, "Here's my affiliate link." Instead, give value first. Show how a product solves their problem, saves time, or makes life easier. Offer bonuses, discounts, or exclusive content to make your audience feel like they're getting a special deal. The more trust you build, the more commissions you'll earn. If you're ready to get started, visit the link in the description for a proven system that gives you a step-by-step process to get started right now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more ways to grow fast cash.